Welcome to an essential discussion on cybersecurity, where today we're focusing on understanding error message reconnaissance and the critical risks of information leakage in applications. Error message reconnaissance is the strategic act of gathering valuable intelligence about a target system simply by carefully analyzing the detailed error messages it produces during failures. While these verbose and detailed error messages are truly invaluable tools for developers troubleshooting issues, they can unfortunately become a rich goldmine of information for malicious attackers looking to exploit weaknesses. Skilled attackers deliberately exploit these verbose error messages to uncover sensitive details about your application's internal workings, architecture, and potential entry points. Such leaks often expose complete file system paths on the server. For instance, something like /var/www/html/app/src/db.php, which directly reveals the structure and organization of your server's file system. Error messages might also reveal internal usernames, specific account details, or even pinpoint the exact application logic and frameworks in use, such as error in Django version 3.2, giving away your tech stack. Database errors pose a particular danger, as they frequently expose precise table names and column names right in the SQL error messages, mapping out your data schema for attackers. Attackers actively probe applications by intentionally trying various methods to break them, all in order to carefully observe and analyze the resulting verbose error messages. To trigger these errors, they commonly input special characters like drop table users, overly long strings such as AAA, or incorrect data types like entering text instead of numbers into forms. This straightforward, low-effort reconnaissance method enables attackers to rapidly map out an application's internal structure, pinpoint components, and identify potential vulnerabilities for further exploitation. Now, let's contrast these risky verbose errors with the recommended best practice of using simple, generic error messages that protect your system. An effective generic error message, such as an unexpected error occurred, please try again later, simply confirms that an issue has occurred without revealing any internal system details whatsoever. By adopting this approach, you effectively protect your system by denying attackers the valuable reconnaissance data they crave to plan their attacks. Importantly, while end users only see the generic message, your development team still receives the full, detailed error information needed to debug and resolve issues efficiently. That's why it's absolutely crucial to securely log all detailed error information on the server side exclusively for internal developer use, keeping it away from public exposure. This balanced practice empowers developers to troubleshoot problems effectively, all while preserving a smooth user experience and upholding strong system security standards. In summary, verbose error messages represent a significant and avoidable security risk as they hand attackers critical insights into your application's vulnerabilities. The proven best practice is to always implement generic error messages visible to users, paired with comprehensive detailed logs retained securely for internal debugging purposes only. We strongly urge all developers and security professionals to immediately review and strengthen their error handling practices today to better protect their applications and safeguard their users from these common threats.